Firstly, we'll clean and devein those 300 grams of shrimps. But don't throw the head and shells yet, we will need it for later. Then using meat mallet to bash 2 lemongrass, 3 garlic, 2 chili to burst it open and to release the flavor. In a pot, we'll add 750 ml water, then 125 ml chicken broth. Put it in a high heat. Then, we'll put the 2 crushed lemongrass, 2 chili, then we'll tear the 4 lime leaves by hand. We will add the galangal. This is like ginger but it has more of sour and peppery flavor. If you can't find it, just substitute it with ginger plus grind black pepper. Then we will add the crushed garlic as well. And lastly, we will put the shrimp shells. We will mix it, then we'll cover and reduce to medium heat, while we bring it to simmer for 10 minutes. In a bowl, we'll strain the broth and discard the shrimp shells and other stuff, of course. Press down to release the juices or the flavors. Then we will return the broth to the same pot. We will add half cup sliced onion and half cup tomato cut into wedges. Then 1 cup mushrooms. We will simmer for 3 minutes. After that, we will add the shrimps. Then stir and simmer for 2 minutes and until cooked. We will then add 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 3 tablespoons freshly squeezed lime juice, and then add 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir it again. You can taste it to adjust according to your sweet flavor by sugar, salt by the fish sauce, and sour by the use of lime. Then, ladle into bowl and serve with fresh coriander and fresh chili. This is the clear version of tom yum. Then we'll proceed to other ingredients. For a creamy tom yum, we will add 1 tablespoon Thai chili paste and 1 cup coconut milk or evaporated milk as you like. We'll stir and simmer for 2 minutes. We will ladle into bowl and serve with chopped coriander and fresh chili. This is the creamy version of tom yum. For the awaited taste test. Clear tom yum tastes good. Let's try the creamy version. My god, can't choose which one I prefer. Both tasted so good. There you go, our clear and creamy version of tom yum. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye!